Welcome or welcome back to my channel. My name is Jenny and today I'm taking you shopping. This is shopping part 1 and lesson 15. We will learn some clothes in French with their colors, and I invite you to revise your colors if need be with this video, which is called Colors in French for Beginners with Jenny, which was released a while ago. Then we will learn how to say this and these in French. They are demonstrative adjectives. Finally, there will be a short listening exercise at the end with some blanks to fill in with the demonstrative adjectives that we would have seen. And that's it for today. So, vous êtes prêts? C'est parti! So, first of all, vêtements pour homme. Vêtements is the word for clothes, and pour is for, homme is man. Vêtements pour homme. So now we are going to look at clothes, and you're going to find out that some items are masculine with un, and some items are feminine with une. And the second thing that you're going to find out is that the color of the item will always be placed after, unlike English. So here we have a white pant. We are going to say a pant white. Un pantalon. Un pantalon. And the color white is blanc. So we're going to say un pantalon blanc. Un pantalon blanc. Now I'm going to look at the belt, the brown belt. A belt in French is feminine. So I'm going to say une ceinture marron. Une ceinture marron. Now we're looking at a blue shirt. Blue shirt will be une chemise bleue. Have you noticed that blue has an E at the end? Because chemise is feminine. So you need to add an E. Une chemise bleue. Looking at the tie, une cravate bleue et marron. So tie is cravate. Une cravate bleue et marron. Now we're looking at a jacket, a blue jacket. So we're going to say une veste bleue. Une veste bleue. And here again, blue is going to have an extra E because the word is feminine. Une veste bleue. Now look, we are looking at shoes. Shoes is an item which is plural. So we cannot say un or une, but we're going to use the plural of un or une, which is des. So we're going to say des chaussures. Des chaussures. AU gives you the sound O, so that's why I said chaud. And then you have double S, which gives you the sound S. So you have des chaussures. And now we're going to look at the color. It's black. So if you remember, black is noir. And what we're going to do here, we're going to add an E because chaussure happens to be feminine. And we're going to add an S because we have two shoes. Des chaussures noires. Here we have some trainers or sneakers. Des baskets. Des baskets. We have a woman in front of us, and this is une femme. Femme. So we are going to talk about vêtements pour femme. Vêtements pour femme. Une robe, a dress, une robe. And the color is gray, so it's going to be une robe grise. So here we have an extra E because dress is feminine. Une robe grise. So now a white top is going to be un haut blanc. No liaison between un and haut. Un haut blanc. And now for the skirt, a black skirt, we're going to say une jupe noire. Une jupe noire. We're back to shoes, des chaussures. But I wanted to teach you as well boots, des bottes. Des bottes. This in English is translated into 3 forms in French. And there are 3 forms because we have the issue of the gender as usual. So if the word next to this is masculine, you're going to put se. If it's masculine but starting with a vowel or silent H, you're going to put cet. And if it's a feminine word, then you're going to put cette, which has exactly the same pronunciation as 7. So let's see how it is used. So, how would we say this white pant? Ce pantalon blanc. Ce pantalon blanc. Here we have a ring, and a ring is anneau. Anneau. Can you guess? And anneau is a masculine word. Can you guess what this would be? I'm sure you've guessed. It's cet anneau. And we're going to make a nice liaison with the T, cet anneau, this ring. Because anneau begins with a vowel and it's a masculine word. Here we have hotel in English, which is hotel in French. Can you guess what the demonstrative adjective is for hotel? I'm sure you gathered it's cet as well, because it's an H, but it's silent. So we're going to say cet hôtel. Cet hôtel. Je vais à cet hôtel ce soir. Je vais à cet hôtel ce soir. I'm going to this hotel tonight. Je vais à cet hôtel ce soir. So now, how would you say this white shirt? Cette chemise blanche. We're going to have cette because chemise is feminine. And we're going to have blanche with an H and an E because blanche is the feminine of blanc. Cette chemise blanche. For tie, do you remember? What are we going to have for as this for tie? This tie. Cette cravate. Cette cravate. Can you guess this one? Cette robe grise. You remember we had une robe grise, but now we're going to change the une into cette for this gray dress. So how do we say these? Well, this one is much easier because there's only one and it's c'est, C-E-S. So it doesn't matter what gender the word is, it will always be c'est. So here we're going to have ses chaussures. Ses chaussures. Let's make some sentences with some demonstrative adjectives. Faisons des phrases avec ces adjectifs démonstratifs. Oh, ce jean est trop serré. Ce jean est trop serré. This jean is too tight. Ce pantalon est trop grand. Ce pantalon est trop grand. This pant is too big. Cette robe me va bien. Cette robe me va bien. This dress suits me. J'aime ces deux robes. J'aime ces deux robes. I like these two dresses. Écoutez bien et répondez aux questions. So now you're going to hear a text. So I'm asking you to listen to this very short dialogue and answer the following questions. What was bought? What are the colors of those items? And how much was the total cost? Vous êtes prêts? C'est parti. Alors, je vais prendre ces deux chemises blanches, cette cravate bleue et ce pantalon noir.
D'accord. 98 €, s'il vous plaît.
Voilà ma carte bleue.
Merci.
This is the dialogue you've just heard, and I'm just asking you to fill in the blanks with the right demonstrative adjectives. So now it's probably good for you to pause the video so that you can think of your answers. Voici les réponses. Alors, je vais prendre ces deux chemises blanches. So, the person wanted 2 white shirts. And we have ces here because shirts are plural. Then the person wanted a blue tie, cette cravate bleue. I remind you that cravate is feminine. Therefore, we're going to have cette. And pantalon noir, which is black pant, is masculine. So we're going to have ce. And the price was 98 euros. Did you get that? Now, let's do a recap on the vocabulary. So we've learned un pantalon, pants or trousers, une chemise, a shirt, une veste, a jacket, une ceinture, a belt, une cravate, a tie, un haut, a top, une jupe, a skirt, une robe, a dress, un anneau, a ring, des chaussures, shoes, des baskets, sneakers in US or trainers in the UK. Trop, too much. Serré, tight. Grand, big. J'aime, I like. Ça me va. This suits me. I hope you enjoyed the video. Vous aimez cette vidéo? Well, if you do, please like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Au revoir!